Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. So yeah, this video is dedicated to all the fathers out there. As we all know that coming Sunday Father's Day है, तो क्यों ना हम उन्हें इस लॉकडाउन में कुछ हैंडमेड गिफ्ट करें? So let's not waste any more time and get started. सबसे पहले हम पॉप-अप बॉक्स बनाएंगे. For that, take a sheet of sizes mentioned in the video and paste it on the top of matchbox. Then, ब्लैक शीट लेंगे और उसे मैच बॉक्स को कवर करके देखेंगे और मार्क करेंगे टॉप सेक्शन को विथ पेंसिल एज आई एम डूइंग. फिर जहां हमने पेंसिल से मार्क किया है उसका मिड पॉइंट लेंगे, दैट इज 1.7 सेंटीमीटर, एंड मेक अ स्मॉल कट ऑन इट. After that, paste this black sheet on the matchbox. फिर जहां कट किया था वहां फोल्ड करें जैसे मैं कर रही हूं to make collars. Now let's paste buttons on it. After that, take small piece of red sheet and draw bow on it. Make sure it should be very small. After that, paste it. Then cut a small triangle and paste it like this. Now let's work on inside the box. Take off sheet sizes mentioned in the video and write down your message on it. And after that, paste it inside the box. Then दो strips लेंगे of same size and start making folds the way I am doing. You will get something like this. Then paste it inside the box. After that, cut two small heart shapes and paste them on strips. And your box is ready. Now, let's make a card. For that, take a black sheet and make folds like this. Then take two colored sheets and make cutouts of same size shown in the video and paste them inside the card. After that, take another two cutouts of same size mentioned in the video and paste them as I am pasting. Then take a triangle shape cutout from white sheet and paste it. After that, take two cutouts from black sheet. Then take big one and fold it as I am doing and cut it like this. Now pick small one and fold it like this and then paste their ends either with Fevicol or with double tape. Here I have used double tape. Paste this on first one And then I'm pasting one stone for more amazing look. And then paste this on your card. Now I am using some beads as buttons. After that, take 2 strips and paste them with double tape like this. अब इसमें पेन रख देंगे. And at last, write down your message. And it's done. Isn't it amazing? Now, let's bake a chocolate wrap. For that, take a white sheet and measure it with your chocolate. Then, make a straight line like this, and after that, fold करेंगे. Then make folds measuring your chocolate and then paste it like this. शीट के बचे हुए पोर्शन को भी पेस्ट कर देंगे. Now paste the bottom side of the cover as well. After that, start making small cuts at the bottom of the wrapper the way I am doing. And you will get something like this. You have to do the same at the top. Now punch it. अब डिफरेंट कलर्स की शीट्स में से हार्ट शेप्स कट करेंगे and then paste them one by one on wrapper. And then write your wishes. After that, take sheets of mentioned sizes and paste it like this. After that, write down whatever you want. Then wrap your ribbon with chocolate and उसे wrapper में डाल देंगे and small card also. Then tie a knot like this and it's ready. Now last one, a magic card. For that, take a sheet and mark a line at 1 centimeter and then fold it. After that, fold it in half. Then open it and draw like this. And then cut it out. You will get something like this. Then take a white sheet of sizes shown in the video and make folds the way I am doing. At the end, paste the blue one also like this. After that, एक white sheet लेंगे and same size की एक transparent sheet लेंगे and paste करेंगे transparent sheet को white sheet पे with double tape the way I am doing. After that, write down I love Dad on white sheet. Now cover it with transparent sheet and make outlines on. I love that, the way I am doing. Now वाइट शीट को वाइट कवर के पीछे रखेंगे एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट को वाइट कवर के आगे. See this carefully. Now you can see the magic. That's it. It's ready. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this DIY. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and comment. We'll be back soon with another video. Till then, bye. Take care.